Dear all humankind out there, do you still see the nature that used to be? Or is just pollution, destruction, and extinction? We need to wake up. We need to wake up from our sleep and try to look back what the truly and the beauty of the nature is. I'm begging all of you to stay and listen and look what we want to tell all of you.
To bring the nature as part of ourselves, we bring the ideation about peacock as the one of the nature, a symbolic of beauty, divinity, and power.
And we combine it with a concept, thousands of eyes, which we get it from the thousands of eye pattern that being attached on the peacock's tail, as symbolic that there is thousands of beauty about the nature and there is thousands of ways to take care of the nature.
As construction, we make it a simple method, which uses modern shear extensions as a jointing, a strong foundation that can withstand air resistance, and there are also many perforated frames to provide natural ventilation and also provide a beautiful view to visitors.
And our hope this pavilion can make people realize that we need to look back to the nature and make it our home and protect it for eternity.